Hi, welcome to the SEO training. My name is Anish Ami and I am your trainer for this course. I have 8 plus years of practical experience in search engine optimization. In those years, I have learned how search engines such as Google have changed their ranking mechanism and how AI technology is constantly evolving SEO practice for future projects. SEO is no longer a keyword stuffing and spam links game. It has evolved and different business requires specific strategy to rank. I have successfully ranked websites in local market and in international market such as US, UK and Australia. My teachings and techniques will provide you a solid base for long-term success and will help you land a good job. First and foremost, you will learn the basic like website analysis, technical aspect, how to optimize any website content to help you rank higher in search engines. You will learn the history and theory behind Google and other search engine ranking mechanism. Learn the difference between on-page and off-page SEO and how you can utilize both to rank and drive traffic towards a website. Understand how SEO practices can differ based on location. For example, a strategy that works in USA might not give the same result in Malaysia market. You will learn how to conduct website audits and how you can fix common SEO related issues. Get to know and learn about all the different tools that are part of SEO industry. You will be taught from the strategies of actual clients and will get to see how their ranking improved with time. Moreover, you will be given similar assignments so that after this course, you have a firm grip on the SEO concepts. After you have successfully learned different SEO practices through our program, you will be given a certification which will authenticate your knowledge to your employer to help you land a job. Stay tuned to learn more from this course.